Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you on the new Elite Force CQB. You can purchase this gun for about 160 bucks on eBike. So without this, let's get right into it. I'll cut open the box right here. Alright. I also ordered 4 Magpul rail covers, or G&P rail covers, and a 110mm suppressor. Deal with this. Here is the order sheet, coupon, and here's the gun box. It shows the new Elite Force M4 right there. It's got the Elite Force name and trades. So let's open this up. So we have a nice manual right here. These are the 3 new Elite Force guns, the CQB, the one I have, and another one. I'm pretty sure it's a new one as well. Comes with a unjamming rod. Ooh, alright. 300 round metal mag, high capacity. And the gun. Let me just point this out. I do like how they have this thing packaged, because then this isn't the styrofoam, but it's not like the H&K packaging. This does secure it around. It's a lot like the Classic Armies packaging, but this is a lot better than I like the styrofoam, just because it doesn't get all over your gun. And here is the gun itself. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 position retractable stock. We have the new battery housing on these, which is awesome. It's a different hop-up system in there. I've never seen it. Can't really see, sorry about that. Have some nice Elite Force trades. The gun body is polymer right here, but the whole upper receiver and the rail system itself is metal, which is really awesome. You do have a flip down front sight, which is perfect because I hate the front iron sights, the A-frame sight, and that was the reason I never bought the first gen. Looks like I'll have to take that off. I won't be able to unscrew it, but these do have the micro trigger in them, so that's really nice. So this is just a quick unboxing of the gun. I'll get all my stuff on it, and then I will get another video back up for you guys. Alright, remember to like, comment, subscribe.